Alam ko na, RJ. Sa totoo lang, nagsiselos ako. Selos na selos. Hayaan mo ako na magsabi ng mga bagay na ayaw mong sabihin. Alam kong gusto mo pa si Lynette. I can see it on how you look at her, on how you touch her, on how you hug her, care for her. But the heart can only occupy one person at a time. Kaya hindi ako makapasok-pasok dyan eh. Kasi nandyan pa siya. But I still want to thank you for everything. And for giving us a chance.
Claire, I'm really sorry.
At least naramdaman kong importante rin ako sa'yo. But I can't allow this to continue. Dahil alam kong ang setup na to, walang happy ending. RJ, I'm breaking up with you so you can follow your heart. And I hope Lynette would realize how lucky she is to have you.
Malabo siguro mangyari yan. Dahil may iba na siyang gusto.
Bakit hindi mo siya kausapin? Bakit hindi mo sabihin ng totoo? Malay mo, magulat ka sa sasabihin niya. Sige, RJ. Ano na ako? Thank you again for everything.